Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the nanocarbon alloy in ASTRONEER. This is going to be useful for crafting things like the portable oxygenator, which is going to be really useful if you want to travel around planets without an oxygen supply near you. So to begin, first of all we'll need to have these three materials, which is steel, helium and titanium alloy. To get the titanium alloy, you'll need titanium, nitrogen and graphene. Nitrogen can be gathered on the starting planet using the atmospheric condenser, where you'll just go to the fourth slot, fourth recipe, and click this green button once it says nitrogen. This is going to give you nitrogen. You can just place it on the chemistry lab like this. Secondly, you'll need graphene, which can also be made inside of the chemistry lab from graphite and hydrazine. Graphite can be found on every planet on the surface, and on the starting planet it is going to be found inside of the mountains biome. To get hydrazine, you'll need to find ammonium, which is also found on every planet on the surface, and also you'll need hydrogen to put it inside of the chemistry lab and get hydrazine from it. So once you've got all of these two materials, you can craft graphene, and second and lastly we'll need titanium, which you'll need to have a small shuttle, or a big one, or medium, to travel to another planet, where you'll find titanite. These are two planets, which is one of them is Visanya, where you can find titanite in mountains, and the second one is Glacio, where you can find titanite inside of caves. Both of these planets are really good for the titanite, so make sure you check out one or both to get titanite, and from titanite you can smelt it inside of the furnace to get titanium. Now, once you have titanium alloy gathered, we will need to have steel, which you can get from chemistry lab also. This is going to be the third to last recipe, and you'll need iron, argon and carbon. The easiest is carbon to get, which is made from smelting organic. Organic can be found on every planet, and as you can see you'll get carbon. Now to get iron you'll need to find hematite, and hematite can be found on two planets, where one of them is Novus, where the hematite is found inside of caves, and the second one, the best option I think, is in Glacio, where you can find it on surface, and it is really common to find it. Also you'll need argon, and for this I would recommend you to have a medium shuttle, where you can travel with a atmospheric condenser, which is going to be packaged. With a packaged atmospheric condenser you can travel to the glacial planet and collect argon. As you can see, it contains argon. Now you can just craft steel, and the last ingredient we'll need for the nanocarbon alloy is helium. Helium can be found on a single planet, which is Atrox, and you'll also need to travel with a atmospheric condenser there, also some kind of power source. And once you have the helium and steel and titanium alloy, you can go ahead and craft the nanocarbon alloy. So this is pretty much all, how to get the nanocarbon alloy and all of its materials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.